Okay, I told myself I'm gonna make a YouTube video real soon, so this is that time. This is when I make a YouTube video where I put in no effort whatsoever other than to talk. Because what is content creation but people talking and people sharing themselves? I am going to do that too, except mujhe is just for my personal benefit. I don't care to whom it goes, where it goes, whatever the fuck. We have music in the background. Right now I am playing. ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा but basically I am playing Let It Happen by Tame Impala. Really cool fucking song, man. Like, really fucking cool. इसके बाद I would like to play कह दो कि ये झूठ है, which will completely change the vibes, but do we care? Okay, let's talk. This video does not have a script because I was planning to make a script, and I didn't in my first video itself. I didn't because, like, why would I make a script? I'll just speak according to what comes to mind. But the topic I want to speak on is growth and moving away from home. And there are 100 songs written over that, 100 movies made on that. But I would just like to speak and say that I am so happy because I feel like I feel myself changing as a person. That's crazy, isn't it? Also, I love this song. Like, I feel like back in Delhi, I was bound by so many factors which were making me feel stuck in an identity. And here, it's not like that at all. I'm not stuck in any identity. I'm growing. And it feels so nice, and there are so many things I fuck over and I suck at, but does it matter really? Because I like there's been shit, okay, and also sauce. This was just kept on the edge. I don't like sauce. Anyways, sorry for the distraction. Anyways, yes. So, what was I talking about? See, this is what happens when you don't have a script. That is why you're supposed to have a script. I think this video will only be 12 minutes long because that's all the storage my phone has right now. So okay, let's do a 12-minute video. Yes, probably till then I'll find what I was talking about. We can enjoy the song for 5 seconds maybe. If I start enjoying the song, I'll only enjoy the song. Oh my god, I get so distracted so easily, man. Okay. What I was talking about. Oh, let me listen to Challenger score. I love the Challenger score. Everything always comes back to this movie. This movie has changed my life. It has done for me. It has my mental health has recovered after watching this movie. Genuinely, like, no medication, no therapist, nothing, no coping mechanism has worked as good this has. Okay. Genuinely changed my life. Toxic Yaoi, you saved my life. Thank you, Toxic Yaoi. This reminds me of that meme. Unemployed people be like, damn, I got Yaoi due tomorrow. And that's so me, Godich. I love Yaoi. Oh, this is Dinku. I am absolutely in love with Dinku. Dinku is like Dinku, and he's a bag, so I can literally just take him around, you know. I can he's my pet, and I can take him for a walk. Dinku is named after double income, no kids, because my partner and I, we are gonna be dinks. So this is Dinku, a manifestation of that, our version of a child as a Dinku Parivar, you know. Yes. I have completely gone over the topic I was about to speak of, which was growth and changing as a person. And yeah. So basically, I was in a really bad place sometime back for a lot of years, and then in the last, like in 2024, I got a lot better because of, obviously, but then 2024 was also not the best, and 2025 has also sucked a lot in terms of, like, I haven't had, like, this feels real, you know. The issues that are there right now, they feel very real to me, and so I'm not in a bad place because I have learned to deal with things in a better way. I think it was like उस time पे I was, those things were not happening because of a singular cause. They were happening because they had to happen. Like, I don't know why they happened. I have no, but they were very bad. And now whatever is happening because of a reason. Or maybe I am perceiving it because it's happening because of a reason, but it could be, well, that back then there was also a reason. Yes, anyways. Sorry, I got really distracted. Oh, I only have 4 minutes left now. Wait, I'll say something else. Oh, we can play this. Love this song. What were we talking about? I am really sorry. I'm a very, very, very forgetful person, and yeah, man, like, what the fuck do I do about that? Yes, I was talking about perceiving is to not, like, knowing उस time पे whatever was happening. I did not have a reason for it because I could not comprehend the meaning because I was very small. So I didn't know how things worked or if there are reasons. And I think the psychology I am exposed to, and just in general the things that I'm doing and the age I am in, it makes me realize a lot of things. And that growth, there's nothing like that, because even though I have, like, a major thing going on right now, which I cannot reveal, but I think I'm all right. Other than that, like, I am able to deal with it, and I feel very mature for doing that. And I'm trying to help the kid in me feel that way too, that they are okay and they're safe in a safe environment, because I think they did not feel like that, and that is why they're resurfacing within me a lot, like especially right now. So to let them resurface and let them know that it's okay, that you have grown into this, that you are okay. But I don't know how I would convince them, because they did not feel that way. I don't think they felt that, and I think this is getting too dark. So we'll shift gears now. I only have like a 12-minute limit and उसमें सिर्फ 1 minute बचा है. So I really don't know what to say, but I feel like I want to end this on a good note, because these 12 minutes did not feel like 12 minutes. And if I've been speaking for 12 whole minutes, then that breaks a lot of, that's what I was wanting to talk about, that I feel like a lot of my beliefs about me have started to break. My belief of not being able to connect to people, or my belief of me being a freak, or like, yeah, or me being a bad person. Those things are finally, I'm trying to shatter them, break them, and they are breaking. And toxic yaoi is always encouraged in this household, but toxic shame isn't. And I'm going to let that go in order for me to be happy. And yes, so we end this on a positive note, and I hope I can make more, because I want to speak a lot more. And yes, bye bye. That was not a good bye bye. I think the video will just end by itself.